Hello friends, in this lecture we will learn how to create the design features. Now design features are existing parts, so these are called primitive parts. To create the design features, we just have to go to the menu, insert, and then we can go to this design features. Now inside this design feature we have already discussed about this extrude, revolve, hole, emboss, groove, etc. So we will learn about this block, cylinder, cone and sphere. So these are all the existing shapes. Now this is a simple way of creating this shape. So we will start with this block option. Click on this block. Now inside this block we can select the type. Now inside this type we have origin and edge length. So it is the simplest way of selecting this. We need to select the base location, that is the origin of this. So select the origin and then we need to specify the direction. So let's say initially all the directions are 100, 100 and 100. So basically it will create a cube. Now let's say I select this origin as the base point. Click on this origin and click apply. Click cancel. Now we can see we have created a block part. Now we can also make some changes into this. So go to the part navigator. Here we can see the block. So double click on this block and we can make the changes into the dimensions. So length, width and height. These are three parameters that are used to define a block. Now I click cancel. Select this block and click delete. Next type of block we want to insert is a cylinder. So go to design feature and cylinder. Now as we know, cylinder is a circular part, and to define the orientation of a circular part we need a reference vector. So we need to specify a point and also a reference vector. So let's say I want to create a circle with respect to this z direction. So for the vector I will select this z-axis. Now for the point again I will specify this origin. Now we need to specify the two reference for the cylinder. First reference is diameter and the second is height. Let's say the diameter is 20, height is given, and click apply and click cancel. And now in this way we can create this cylinder. So select this cylinder, right click and delete this. Go to menu once again, insert, and the next type of profile we have is the cone. So cone is a tapered geometry that is similar to a cylinder. Now again for the cone we can define its diameter and height, diameter and half angle base diameter. So again I will select diameter and height. So similarly we need to specify a vector for this. Let's say I select this vector and then a point for origin, and then we need to define the base diameter, top diameter and the height. So I take all these values and click OK. So let's say I increase the height. So let's say the height is 100 and click OK. Now we can see we have created a conical profile. Click cancel and delete. So last type of profile I want to insert is a sphere. Now as we know, for the sphere we just need to define the diameter. So define the value of diameter, and here we can specify arc for this. So diameter and a base point. So select this base point and click OK. And now in this way we have created the sphere.